cannot log into your Chime app, here's a quick fix that works. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So first check your internet connection like Wi-Fi or mobile data must be stable, and then open your app store and search for Chime. If you see an update button, just tap on it and now reopen the app and try to log in again. Still not working? Then try this. Open your settings and then go to general and then go to your iPhone storage, just like this. And then all you have to do is scroll down till the end and search for your Chime. So once you find it, all you have to do is tap on it and then tap this offline app. So again, you have to tap offline app to confirm, and again then you have to do is tap this reinstall app and then Chime will reinstall. So just like this, and try to log in once again. But if you're still stuck, then restart your phone and give it one more try. That's it. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.